Hi, it's Tony from Tony from Tony's Cabin and Sammy the Wonder Dog. Here I am. Hi guys. I'm going to show you my plants and the big hole I got in my yard. Okay, I think I'll show you first. Quit trying to bite me, dog. There's a couple of the logs from the tree. He's being stupid right now. He's being mean to me. I'm telling everybody on you what you do to your mama. Be mean. And here's the rest of that. My friend cut up. Another friend of mine's supposed to bring over a splitter to split this up. I'll show you where the hole was. Can you see where all that grass is over there? We're taking you there. And I'll show you the hole. It doesn't press me much. I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, you can see all that's brush I got to get out of there. But I'm going to take you down to the hole. Look at the hole. What the heck am I going to do with that? Come on, boo. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So, this is what we're doing today. Contemplating. I did get the weed whacker out and tried whacking around it. I need something a little bit tougher. There he goes, crazy boy. I gotta water my plants, obviously, they're getting droopy. But see, I got some tomatoes. I got some flowers for my pickles. I gotta water these as soon as I'm done talking to you guys. My daylilies are doing beautiful. Aren't they pretty? Yeah. And I did that part of my lawn today. I'm not going to do any more. I had a long day. Trying to trim stuff up with the wrong tools really takes a lot out of a person. But what are you going to do? But see, I got more logs that need split. I can't split them. I'm too old. I'll show you my rose bushes. They're doing lovely. Aren't they pretty? I love them. And this is one of the plants I got, and it's doing pretty good, but needs water too. So, that's all I gotta say about that, people. Oh, excuse me, I gotta sit down. So, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin. I'm gonna say goodbye. Tell true shame devil. Peace out. Be happy, guys. Stay cool. I'll show you Sammy one more time. There he is, of course, right next to me. He loves his mama. Bye, guys. Thanks for the subscribers and all the comments. I appreciate it all. Yeah, I'm tired. Tired, people. I don't know what I'm going to do about the hole. Oh, I'm a dilemma. Take it easy, people. Bye-bye.